Me and my right hand here, Lefty, are gonna go on an expedition. And we're gonna explore the native world. The native world. And today, we're gonna investigate on the humans. Oh yes. Okay, Lefty, I think that's a little close. You know how I told you not to eat anything but your feed. Yeah, okay. So let's get this expedition started, shall we? Lefty. I think the humans are around this corner. They're being mighty loud. Oh my god, I can see one of them.
Oh, you see that?
How do you think about that, Lefty? Want to go eat one? Okay. Let's go, Lefty, your feed.
Get out! Stop.
They weren't very nice to Lefty, as you can see. Lefty's feelings are hurt. It's okay, Lefty. We'll find another human for you to feed on. Besides me. Besides me now. Okay. So the expedition is over. Over now.